Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm back again with another video. I'm here to talk about preparers who are looking to make more money by connecting and working with a tax firm who has more experience and more training and more insight to help you start and grow your tax and accounting business, starting from where you are right now. Maybe you work for a tax firm currently, or you used to work for one, and you saw the potential that you could make if you started your own tax and accounting business. If you saw the potential that you can make working for a tax firm, and you want to go on your own to make more money by being able to go out and get your own clients, this message is for you. And so if you want to learn more about what that looks like, what that takes, and what's required, you can reach out to me at 773-782-1320 so we can talk about what the process would be like for you if you were to connect with me and decide to let me guide you through the process of helping you make more money in this industry as a tax preparer who doesn't have the EFIN number, which is the number that allows us to buy professional software and register with the third-party banks to collect our fees on our behalf. So if you're that person that wants to eventually get your own EFIN, you want to have your own tax and accounting business set up one day, and you want to get to learn how that looks like and what that's required of and what that's going to take of you so you can decide if there's something you even want to do as far as going to the next levels. I'd like to hear from you. And so I work with women entrepreneurs who looking to start their own tax and accounting business, who lack confidence and clarity on getting started, what direction to go in, what they should be doing next. I give you step-by-step guidance and instructions to help you to make it happen for yourself, because the power of mentorship is what I bring to the table. Is that number one, I remove all the guesswork to you getting started. Number two, I give you targeted and guided leadership and direction on what's possible and what direction you can go in, and let you choose what's best for you. There's so many ways to make money in the tax and accounting industry that we're going to introduce you to the front end, simple version of what that looks like, and we're going to build on top of that to show you what's all possible and let you decide what you want to make happen for yourself as you decide to learn more and do more when it comes to being in this industry. We have people who going to school already, who already know they want to become a CPA, and so they're going to get their degree. They're going to take the 4-part CPA exam, and while they're doing all that, they want to be able to learn how to prepare individual income taxes, have their tax preparation business set up. That way, when they get their credentials fully done and out the way, they've already got some experience. They already got some training. They already got some clientele. They already made some money. And so you want to get ahead of the game by learning now, by taking action on starting your tax and accounting business while you're in the process of working on becoming an accountant versus you waiting to become an accountant. Because then you're ahead of the curve. You're going to be way ahead of the people that's waiting to get their degree and pass the CPA exam to do what you're doing, because you're starting now. And that's the best approach to being in this industry, is to get started now. That way, once you get your accounting degree and you pass the 4 parts of the CPA exam, you've already got some experience. You already got some clientele. You already made some money. You already got a path laid out on what possible directions you might want to go in based on the fact that you've been educated and shown the possibilities of what's out here on the different services that you can provide inside your tax and accounting business. Me, I kept it simple. From an individual standpoint, we have people that might not be looking to become a accountant, not looking to become a CPA, not looking to get professional credentials right away. They just looking to see if there's something they can even do, something they can even handle. And from that vantage point, they start out real simple by taking a basic income tax course, making some money from that, mastering that skill, and being able to see the potential they can make from that, and seeing if it can take them further down the road than where they got started from. With me, I started in 1995 with a basic income tax course through Jackson Hewitt Tax Service that showed me and planted the seed of what was possible with this career industry and what it could do for me. And so with me already having the desire to be my own boss and have my own business one day, even as a young boy growing up, that desire never left me. And so the seed was planted that this career industry could take care of me if I took care of it. And so in 2001, I returned to this industry, took another basic income tax course through Jackson Hewitt, and I've been here ever since. So you get to leverage my 22 years of experience, 16 as an independent business owner in the income tax industry, and I'm still learning, and I'm still growing, I'm still expanding my knowledge and my skill set. And so you get to have all that poured into you and shared with you to help you define what direction you want to go in, what things you want to accomplish inside the tax and accounting business that's possible, either directly or indirectly. Because there's some things that you might want to learn to do personally, and there's some things you might want to build a team for. And so I get to teach you all that, you know what I'm saying, as a result of work with me. And so the woman entrepreneur who's looking for mentorship, who lacks confidence and clarity in getting started, who wants not to waste time, money, and frustration on trying to figure these things out, let's see if I'm a good fit to possibly even help you. And if so, reach out to me at 773-782-1320. You can email me at thomas@workwthomas.com. And I'd like to talk with you to see where you are inside your journey, to see if I can possibly even help. And if I can, on top of that, are we a good fit? And number two, we'll jump on a Zoom call to reiterate what we talked about on the phone call. And so that's the process I normally take my clients through when it comes to working with me. And then from there, if you have no prior training or experience, then I'll send you over some actual training material to show you what it looks like when it comes to learning how to prepare basic income taxes. Because what I learned from my experience, because going to school to be an accountant, they don't teach you what I teach. It's not to say it's not a curriculum, and they are for that, but they don't teach that as part of the accounting degree program. It's not there. It's under continuing education. And so I'm here to help the person that's looking to get started, who lacks confidence and clarity, the woman entrepreneur who wants to invest in mentorship and coaching, to help fast track their success, to help them get from point A to point B much quicker and much faster than they can ever do on their own. If that's you, and you think I can possibly be the one to help you get started and grow and scale your business, then don't hesitate to reach out. Don't let the fact that we got 8 days left in this year be the reason not to call, because see, we got all of 2024 to have you set up and ready to make money inside this industry, because we work year round. We work from January to December 31st every year. We don't do January to April. That's unrealistic expectations for the new person who's looking to make money in this industry to be able to do so. So we want to be able to provide a service by being a service provider who works year round to accomplish that. And thank you for watching this video. Share this on video with someone who you know might be looking for mentorship and coaching as it relates to getting started in the tax and accounting industry, who don't want to have to guess, who don't want to have to figure it out, who don't want to make all the necessary mistakes and some that you'll make by being new to this, because the learning curve will be different for everyone. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next.